Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this 3-story modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation, itong property facing east. And on either side, we have the entrance for your 3-vehicle carport. So, 2-vehicle carport on this side, and dito sa kabila, your another vehicle carport. We also have provision for your automated gate dito sa inyong carport. And before we enter, your patch of garden para welcoming vibe dito sa inyong property. By the way, for the flooring, rough textured homogeneous tiles para non-skid sa mga dadaan, no? So, ito yung inyong 3rd vehicle carport. Pwede kayong mag-park dito ng huge vehicles or even e-bike, no? So, well, depende sa inyo yan. And dito sa dulo, you have itong 1 to 2 meters setback. Your garden. So, kita yan dito from the foyer. The advantage is lots of natural light dito sa inyong stairs, and it connects itong huge windows na ito, yung parang outdoor side nitong property, parang ang aliwalas tignan sa loob. You have the view of your side garden. And tignan naman natin tong other side, no? Your covered porch. And dito sa inyong 2-vehicle carport, fully covered naman ito by a canopy coming from your 2nd floor. For the ceiling, may nakalagay dito na spandrel with wood grain design. Parang warm and cozy in this area, no? Ang gandang tignan. The provision para dito sa inyong magiging automated gate. Well, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo lagyan, no? On the left side, the room para sa inyong staff with own toilet and bath, but currently ginamit nila ito as storage space. Meron na rin ditong cistern tank and itong booster pump para equal yung pressure up to the 3rd floor. And paligid naman ito is another side garden. So ayan, mametignan natin. And you have your another entrance going inside dun sa inyong auxiliary kitchen. And dito naman, may provision na rin para sa deep cabinets para sa mga magiging tools ninyo dito sa inyong vehicle carport. And going back dito sa inyong main door and porch, again, covered by a canopy. So for your main door, solid wood main door with your metal pull handles and your deadbolt. Well, pwede nyo naman palitan yan ng inyong modern door lock in the future. Well, depende sa inyo yan. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. So coming from your main door, we have this foyer. Again, in this space, you have provision for your deep cabinets para sa mga dadali nyo, no? Or pwedeng paglagyan ng inyong shoe racks or mga umbrella. Well, yun yung idea nitong inyong cabinet right after your main door. And on the other side, floor-to-ceiling window naman para, again, lots of natural light. Few steps, ito yung inyong magiging living space or receiving area. And katulad nga ng sabi ko, on the right side nitong property, you have this kind of view. Diba? Ang aliwalas tignan, no? Aganda na. Parang you have your indoor garden because of the floor-to-ceiling glass. Ang gandang tignan. So, in this space, well, you can utilize this area as your receiving or living space. Ayan. Well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gustong i-design itong area na ito. But currently, we have your drop ceiling design with provision for a chandelier or a hanging lights. Split type AC. The location of your television set. And ito naman yung inyong ensuite I mean your pocket or ang tawag mo dito? Yes, powder room. Tama si Raymond. Ito yung inyong water closet and your lavatory. But currently may mga onting finishing pa na kailangan gawin, no? Okay, so you can close this door sliding para mas na space saver. Few steps dito naman sa dulo, ito yung inyong magiging dining area. Kasha in this space around 8-seater dining table. Again, drop ceiling design, and you can also notice medyo tumaas na yung ceiling natin. Surrounded also by these huge sliding doors. And by the way, para dito sa mga material use na ginamit nila sa inyong mga sliding doors and sliding windows, these are powder-coated aluminum and tempered glass. Ayan. So, again, ang aliwalas in this space because of the huge two sliding doors on this side of the property. Again, drop ceiling design with cove light and provision for your chandelier. You also have your split type AC. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman gumamit ng AC, to reduce the use of your AC, you can just open this up. And yan, ang ganda ng airflow in this area. Ang ganda ng cross ventilation. And you have this nice view ng inyong mga side garden. Ganon din dito sa kabilang side. Ang liwalas, no? Ayan, tingnan nyo yung view from here going here. Ayan. Okay, so in this space naman, ito naman yung inyong stairs going up. Ang liwalas din tignan, no? Ganda ng contrast. Adjacent dito sa inyong dining is your main kitchen. For the main kitchen, your L-shaped counter and your island counter. Additional space for your food preparation. And you can also utilize this space as your breakfast nook. Floor-to-ceiling cabinet para sa inyong pantry. Together with your integrated microwave and oven. Ayan, may mga ilaw pang nakalagay. And soft close hinges. Ganda ng kanilang cabinet, no? And ganon din with the base cabinets for additional storage space. Ganon din on this side para naman sa inyong mga cutleries or utensils. Ayan. So mapapansin nyo rin, seamless din yung kanilang cabinet. Ayan. Naka-pre-cut na yung tawag dito. May na concealed handle na sa mga cabinets ninyo. Ganon din dito sa inyong L-shaped counter, additional base cabinets, and you also have these appliances. So talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo. No? Your induction booster, already integrated na rin dito sa inyong counter, kaya napakalinis tignan. Ito yung inyong range hood for the backsplash, parang subway backsplash. May texture na rin itong tiles nito, so para may contrast dito sa inyong granite counter or sa inyong quartz counter, no? And your multipurpose sink, ito yung mga nauusong multipurpose sink. Napakagandang tingnan nito, and syempre very efficient gamitin or convenient. Again, huge window, lots of natural light, napakaganda kumilos dito, no? So on either side of the property, you have huge windows and sliding doors. Kaya ang aliwalas sa buong property, especially dito sa inyong ground floor. And on this side, ito naman yung inyong 4-door refrigerator. Currently, nakabalot pa, no? Para, of course, pristine condition sa mga titira dito. Kaya walang gas-gas yan. Napakagandang tingnan. And of course, dito sa inyo magiging main kitchen. Ang ganda rin ng triangle method. Kaya dali gumalaw if you have, kunyari man, you have visitors with you. Ang dali mag-prepare ng food. And of course, your open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. Ang dali i-design nito based dun sa magiging prefer nyo na interior design. Especially with our walls, painted walls, ang dali mag-adapt ng kulay na ginamit nila kung ano man yung magiging style na gusto nyo in this area. And kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy, no, yung lulutuin nyo in the future, meron naman tayo ditong auxiliary kitchen for your heavy cooking. So your integrated 3 gas burners with your range hood. And your sink made of quartz, yung kanilang ginamit dito. And by the way, ito na rin yung inyong automated washing machine and dryer. Again, kasama na yan sa selling price. Talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo. And of course, after your laundry, this is the perfect spot para sa inyong drying area. Ayan. Hanggang dito sa likuran ng property. Okay. So, ayan, medyo umaambon na. And again, meron tayong additional cabinets in this space, your base and hang cabinets for your storage. And by the way, for the flooring, ang ganda rin ng ginamit nilang tiles, no? High gloss finish. These are porcelain tiles. So let's go up dun sa inyong second floor. So for dito sa inyong stairs, solid wood staircase, parang tangili yung ginamit nila. Ganon din with your handrails, with your balustrade, itong metal balustrades and tempered glass. Let's go up. Again, lots of natural light coming from the windows dito sa left side of the property. Here's the second floor. 2 bedrooms naman yung nandito with ensuite toilet and bath each. So this is your bedroom 1 and also your master bedroom. Tingnan natin. Okay. So this bedroom is facing dito sa facade ng property, so facing east. By the way, for the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design sa buong second floor. So this is the location ng inyong bed frame or king size bed kasha in this space na. Lots of windows in this room, so lots of natural light, and again, yung cross ventilation ang ganda rin. The location of your television set, and you can also notice itong wires which is for the CCTV camera dun sa monitor, no? So we have provision for CCTV camera in this property. And in this space, pwede pa kayong maglagay ng inyong corner table, ayan, or a waiting area. Pwede rin couch with your center table. Ganda ng space. Drop ceiling design or cove ceiling design for our ceiling with your cove light. Your split type AC. And in this space naman, your walk-in closet, floor to ceiling cabinet for your storage. Ganon din in this space. Ayan, napakalinis tignan na. And your ensuite toilet and bath. Itong inyong huge sink with provision para sa inyong vanity mirror. Alam ko may kasama na yun eh. So wala pang ngayon kasi may bagong-bago pa lang talaga itong linis. So katatapos lang talaga. Ito yun naman yung inyong vanity cabinet with provision para sa inyong multi-point heater. Ayan. Liwanag, no? Your water closet and the shower space with tempered glass enclosure. Okay. So, tingnan naman natin yung another bedroom. Balik tayo dito sa inyong hallway. Let's go up and 2 steps up. And this is your bedroom 2. Laki ng mga bedrooms nila, no? So, this is the location of your bed frame. Your television set. Your cabinet or the walk-in closet area. Lots of storage space. Ang ganda ng layout for this room. And dito sa dulo, you have your window for your natural light. And your ensuite toilet and bath. Your vanity area. Itong inyong lavatory. Water closet. And the shower space. Ayan. Again, with the enclosure. Talagang personal na gamit na lang yung dadalhin nyo, no? And for the location of this property, ang ganda pa ng location ito. Hindi nyo na kailangan dumaan sa traffic side ng BF Homes. Let's go up dito sa inyong third floor. Ganon pa rin yung material use dito sa ating stairs. Wow, lots of natural light. Ang liwanag. So we have 3 bedrooms in this level. Tingnan natin itong inyong bedroom 3. For the flooring, ganun pa rin. Laminated boards. The location of your bed frame. Mapapansin nyo, lalaki ng mga windows nila, no? Ganda. Your split type AC, medyo muulan na sa labas. Location of your television set. And in each side, meron kayong cabinet for your storage. So, ang daming cabinets niyan. Okay, so nililinis pa nila to, pero ito na yung inyong toilet and bath. So, going back here, this is space, pwede pa maglagay ng cabinet, no? Parang small study area. And this is your bedroom 4. Ayan. Ganda ng allotted space for the cabinets. A walk-in closet area. Pwede pa rin maglagay dito ng vanity table ninyo, no? Tall cabinets for your storage. And dito naman yung inyong bed frame. The area for your television set. Again, lahat ng rooms in this house now with split type AC. Your lavatory, water closet, and the shower space. And your last bedroom, or the bedroom 5. Sila masasabi ko, light and airy. Sa buong bahay, magmula ground floor hanggang dito sa itaas, ang lalaki ng windows. Kaya napakaliwanag. Split type AC, talagang fully functional din because of the built-in appliances, kasama na lahat. Talagang yung mga furnitures na lang yung dadalhin nyo. Okay, iba naman yung layout nito. Nandito yung lavatory, your water closet, and the shower space. Ayan. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern contemporary home located here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.